This video will be about how I did the homework one. Let's start with part A. I defined the tank volume. I defined the initial pressure. Here I am showing the MATLAB exactly where the file is located, because if I don't, MATLAB can't find the text in my computer. I'm saying the MATLAB first column shows the pressure, second column shows the temperature, and it continues like that. You can see their meanings. For the liquid water, for these two, I use the interpolop. For these two, have already been given to us in the problem. For the water vapor, I cannot use the interpolop because 400 centigrade degrees is not included in the given text. These are some calculations. We know that mass is equal to volume over specific volume, and we also know that total mass is not changing. It will be conserved. This is using for finding this final specific volume, and it calculates our total specific internal energy. I choose the one in here because this is our starting pressure we set for the while loop. In the given text, the pressure starts with 1, and I choose the 500 in here, but it is not so much important. If it is less than value, it will be okay. If it is higher than this value, MATLAB give us error. This equation for calculating vapor quality, and this is equation of specific internal energy found in terms of steam quality and predicted pressure. I increase the final pressure by 1/2 because in the given text pressure increases by 1/2. This is the end of while loop. I use the display loop for to see the results in here. Let's continue with part B. I use the for loop for creating the figure in the part B. I defined the tank volume as I starting at 2 cubic meters and increasing 1 by 1, and it ends at 15 cubic meters. This is for the creating figure. I use the scatter loop. I see the fillet squares in the red color. I want to see red color. That's why I write R in here. I named X table and Y label. I will show the results for the part B. Part B results in here. Let's continue with MATLAB again. I show you part C. Only difference between part B and part C is final temperature. I write the final temperature in here. I use the final temperature in the scatter loop, and I want to see black stars for the figure. I named X table and Y label. This is the end of the for loop, and I will show you the results of part C. This is the result of part C. This is the end of the video. Thanks for listening.